switch the device on, the yellow light on the control unit will light up. Movement parameters are adjusted using potentiometers. Speed, flexion limit, extension limit. Raised calibrations are provided for visually impaired operators. Movement can be initiated from the handset, which can also be used to stop the device and change direction. This control unit must always be given to the patient.